In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Porsche dealer in Pinewood. We are going to talk about what it takes to buy a Porsche. 1. Search for Porsche dealers in your area, then search for dealerships which have lots of parking and easy access. 2. Read reviews of the Porsche dealer in Pinewood from people who have bought a car there before. 3. Have a look at reviews of the Porsche dealer in Pinewood on Yelp or Google. 4. Go through the Porsche dealership's inventory to see what they have available and how many cars are currently on their lot. 5. Call up the dealer and ask them about their policies, loaning options, warranty, insurance coverage. The Porsche dealer should be somebody who knows what he is speaking about and can answer your questions without making you feel intimidated. 6. What is your budget? The more money you would spend on a car like, the better quality of car you'll be able to find. However, if cost is an issue for you, do not delay, ask around. Click the link in the description to talk to a Porsche dealer in Pinewood. Thanks a lot for watching this video.